Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revamped my walk-in closet. Now, my first impression of this closet was where's the storage? There's no storage in here. Where am I going to put the shoes, the jackets, the shoes, and the shoes? A walk-in closet with no storage. So I knew this was a project I'd be taking on myself and I would have to add to my list. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did that, where I got all my materials from, and just how much money I saved doing it myself. Let's get started. I want you to stop, put your phone down, put the remote down, because I've got 3 tips scattered throughout this video I do not want you to miss. They'll help you with a project like this and many more to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right. Yes, the closet does have storage, but only on the right-hand side. And honestly, it's not practical or efficient when 2 people have to share this space. This closet could be so much more than what it is right now, and I am going to get it there. But first, I got to get this shelving unit that's straight ahead out of here. It is absolutely useless. With that shelving unit gone, now I need to focus on finding the studs on this back wall, because I plan to install shelves from top to bottom. Now, what I'm looking for are imperfections in my wall. An imperfection is oftentimes a screw head, and to confirm that a screw head is there, I use a magnet. Once I find that screw head, I have pretty much found the stud. Now here I am using my level so I can mark the stud from floor to ceiling so it's easily identifiable later. Now studs should be 16 inches on center apart from one another. I'm going to use my tape measure to mark 16 inches away from the magnet. Now I'm going to use my magnet, try to find another screw head to see if the stud is there. It is. Now I got to mark this stud. I'm so happy because these studs are in the perfect location for these shelves. So I'm using mainly wire shelving, and most of this stuff I found either at salvage stores or online. Now if you subscribe to my channel, you already know that I rarely pay retail for my materials. So what I use is largely dependent on what I find. So to ensure I mount these shelf tracks securely, I'm going to put them right up against that line I drew for the stud and mark all the holes. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So to ensure all my markings align, I'm going to use my level because I do not want no crooked shelves. Time to drill my holes, and yes, with the help of my magnet, I found the stud. Same thing on the other side, and yes, the stud is there too. Now let's talk screws. I'm using a 3-inch screw in this project. The screw has to go through the shelf track, through the drywall, and I'm guesstimating it's about a 1/2 inch thick, and into the stud. Shoes will be stored on these shelves, so they've got to be nice and secure to this wall, and these screws will do it for me. Here I am just tightening everything up and everything is feeling nice and secure. Time to mount these other two tracks at the bottom, and although I cut a lot of the video out, I just followed the same steps. Oh yes, by this time it was hot up in that closet. Now let me give y'all a close-up of everything. After taking a break, it's time for me to mount these brackets so I can get these shelves hung. I'm counting down the track so I can make sure everything is spaced out evenly, and I use my level to confirm, and everything is looking great. There's really nothing to mounting these shelves, but I do want to give you guys a close-up because they actually snap in place. And I'll show you exactly how I do that. I would not recommend you do this with your finger because honestly, some of them require more force than you think. I ran out of wire shelving, so for the rest of these brackets, press board it is. And with that, these shelves are done. So on this wall, I'm going to mount two long coat racks. I've already located the studs, I'm just marking them right now. Tip number 3, get you 2 different size levels. You'll need a longer one for some projects, but for many others, a smaller one really does the trick. This smaller one is lightweight and perfect for what I'm doing right now. So here I'm just eyeballing and marking for the holes I need to drill. Behind each peg is also a hole. Sometimes it lines up with where I want it to go, and sometimes it doesn't. I complete the same steps with the second coat rack and secure both of them nice and tight. And with that, I am done. Now this project took me about 3 hours, which included cleaning out the closet, prepping everything, planning, the actual install, and breaks. I got these coat racks at 2 different secondhand stores, so they're not the same color, and right now that doesn't bother me. It may not look like much now, but wait till the end. In my research, I have found that a professional is going to charge you anywhere from $200 to $250 or more, and most of that is going to be labor. Doing it myself, I only spent $34, a little bit of my time and a little bit of sweat, saving me over $200. Doing a project like this is totally doable and completely worth it. And with that, I am done. Honestly, I think I've added about 40% worth of additional storage in this closet. I was able to pack a ton of shoes in here, a bunch of jackets. I still have room for more. You know, if there's a walk-in closet in your home that you want to add additional storage to, don't think that you can't do it. These materials were super budget friendly, something I'm sure you all can afford. Honestly, I love the way that it turned out, and I hope you guys do too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.